Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to make decals for your school logo or mascot. So I'm going to choose Cooper River Center for Advanced Studies. PSS is actually there today helping that school. So all I'm going to do is go to Google and search their decal. Once you find the one you like, you can right click and save as. So next we're going to go to remove.bg. It's a free site. We're going to upload our image. So you'll go to your pictures and then wherever you've saved it. So once it's processed, you can edit it and see that it's removed some of the excess that you might want to restore. So we'll just go to erase and restore, and there you can adjust your brush size and you can fill those back in. Once you're happy with it, you'll hit download. So next you can open up Magic Cutter Studio. We're going to hit new project and we're going to go with a 24 by 36 size. So now I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so I can see better. And now we're going to go to File and Import. So now you can adjust it. As you can see, there's going to be little spots that it's going to cut out. So what we can do is we can go to Path and hit Offset Path. Then as you can see, it's going to add a background and create your sticker. You can adjust it to be rounded, regular, or beveled. You can also adjust the offset. So if you want a larger size offset, you can just adjust that here. So now we're just going to hit OK. And now when you preview it, it's going to have your sticker outline. Now you just adjust it to stay under your 3-inch line and your 2-inch line on the sides. If you hold down Shift, it'll keep your proportions correct. So now I'm going to zoom back out. And now we have a large decal. So this decal would be 19 inches by 14. You can adjust the size however you need. If you'd like to create multiple ones, you can copy and paste. Or you can select it and make many smaller sizes. This would be great for fundraisers using magnets or repositionable paper. So next, all you have to do if you want to make multiple copies of the same decal is to highlight all of them, right click and copy. Now you can paste them and arrange them where you would like. Now just check your preview and check your margins to make sure they're not too close. Once you're done, you'll hit Cutter, Print and Cut, Print. Check your properties to make sure that your page size matches your mat size and your layout says no space at top or bottom. Now you can hit OK. Once it prints, you'll want to align the paper with the one in the bottom right corner. You'll want the blade to be in the first corner of the registration mark under number 1, and you'll want to move by pressing slow and the arrows until the blue part of the blade is over that 90-degree angle.